Hello! Now I am actually on my way to the immigration office. I was sitting up late yesterday trying to figure out how I was gonna fill in the papers, and I've been to this immigration office already twice, but I didn't understand what they were saying. But now I think I have it all figured out, so I'm gonna go there and see if I can stay longer in Mexico. So I'm gonna take the bus into downtown Cancun and then go to the immigration office there. I took the 10-minute bus from the hotel zone of Cancun and in to downtown. I passed by the bridge again with the pirate ships and the small highway that goes through all the land areas out in the Caribbean Sea of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. I just got off the bus here and I think I'm in the right place. Hopefully the immigration office is here in front of me. But a lot of the streets look the same here in Cancun. I wanted to stay longer in Mexico, so I had come to the immigration office to extend my visa. It was a hard process since I don't speak Spanish and nobody speaks English in there. I came out of the immigration office and something was wrong in the papers again. It was the third time I was there. And you can't do it there. They have no forms in the office. So I waited like 2 hours in line, and then some little thing was wrong again in the papers. So now I have to go somewhere, print the papers again, and then maybe stand in the line and go back to the office. So I just found out that you can actually pay somebody to fill in the papers for you. So I paid somebody over here to fill in the papers. So now it should be 100% correct. So now I'm going back to the immigration office to finally fix the papers. I was on the bus going back to the resort and thought about all the places I had seen in Mexico so far. It had been a great time, but the question is where I'm gonna end up living eventually. All right, I came back with the bus back to the hotel, and I think my application was successful to extend my visa here in Mexico. I'm back at Casa Maya. I came back to the resort and passed by the swimming pools and up to the 8th floor of the buildings. So now we're just having lunch on the balcony. Nom 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 nom. What is next? What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do? We had some really nice lunch with this nice view. Now it's time to go down to the swings over here. Swings and the nice beach. Very, very nice. She got very fried, so now she needs a rash guard.
Wear sunscreen.
Or sunscreen. No, you need to fry yourself. No sunscreen.
No, skin cancer is real.
No rash guard for me. I am going to be deeply fried once again.
Put on sunscreen.
No. I never get tired of this view. I've been here for a while and it's so amazing. I can't believe it. Really amazing view. All the boats always going by. Now we are ready to go. We were on our way out to the beach again to enjoy this incredible place. Eating some Doritos. The frying is perfect. Got some nice company. The birds also like chips here. I threw them some chips and they just came. Everybody likes chips. We had walked a bit further down the beach to enjoy some really nice swings in the incredible water. We are on our way back home now after some good times on the beach. Let's go.
All right, margarita time.
Margarita. We are back. Time for margaritas. Margaritas. We have to get some ice from the ice machine. We're gonna crush the ice so we can make the margaritas. We should not blend our fingers. We need to blend the ice. Now we're gonna blend the ice instead. Where are you gonna get the
Limes. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know how many we want each. How many? 2.
2 each, maybe.
We squeezed in the limes, crushed the ice, and also got a bit of tequila. I don't drink very often, but every once in a while it's nice to have a little drink. Same for her, I think.
Yes.
She doesn't like
I
drink.
love margaritas.
She's a good girl, she doesn't drink. No, a lot. We are going inside actually. I felt a little bit tipsy from the tequila. It's so bad, like you want to drink more, but it's no good, so I didn't drink more. Like the devil, you want more, drink more. I'm the devil, drink more. Thank you very much. Thank you. The next day, we were getting ready to head out for some adventures with our rental car. Let's head out for some adventures. Here is the rental car that we got. $33 per day. I don't know if that was cheap or expensive, but it should be a good time. Very nice. Oh, we stopped here at the bank, or not the bank, but ATM called Santander. And here in Mexico, that's the only ATM where they don't charge you a lot of money to withdraw cash. Sometimes I've had to pay $18 just to get some cash out of the ATM, but here it's, I think it's free. But she's buying coffee at Oxo. She is coming soon. We were on our way to cross over to the state of Yucatan, where you have some of the best cenotes, also known as really clean swimming water wells. We had to pay for the second time actually to use the highways here. It's not very good. We had to pay first 300 pesos to cross one point and then now 80 pesos. But now we are in the town of Valladolid. We drove for 2 hours just to figure out that it's closed. Hello? 2.5 hours. Everything is closed. Everything is closed in Yucatan.
Yes.
So we're gonna go back to Quintana Roo because things are open there. We had found out that every single thing was closed in the state of Yucatan, but the state of Quintana Roo has much more tourism and a lot of things were still open here. We came back into the beginning of the hotel zone in Cancun, and you could see the whole strip packed with hundreds of hotels on the small land area surrounded by the sea. we kept driving through the famous hotel zone area of Cancun, where most of the areas are occupied by hotels, and there is just one road going through. It was still empty because of the virus situation. The world changed really quickly in the year 2020. This town was once said to have put the Las Vegas nightlife to shame. We're back after a day of doing nothing. Very bad day.
Day of just driving.
Driving and paying a bunch of fees. Hopefully I didn't pass the hotel. We have arrived back home. I'm gonna go park. And then,
Okay, you
came back to the hotel here in Cancun after a not so successful day. No swimming, nothing. We just drove around all day. But we might go to Tulum. So this will be the last sunset. You have probably seen all these nice sunsets here that I've been filming. Really, really nice. I'm really sad to go. It's been an amazing time here. It's been a few days since I did pool tricks down there actually, so I might finish off with one last pool trick. Only a pool trick for me and not for her. She needs to pack. It was a shitty last day here. Or here it's always nice, but the day was shit when we drove around everywhere. Things cannot always turn out the way we want. Sooner or later something is gonna go to shit. But the more things we try, we also have a bigger chance of having success in something. That's why I believe we should try everything. Very, very, very sad that the pool tricks and the time here has come to an end. It's come to the time of the last pool trick. Almost didn't hang out anything on the beach here. I don't know why, but it was really nice to be here. This hotel was really, really great success. Now I have to take a bit of time to suck out the last drip of life from this nice place. The last moments of this amazing place. That was the end of the pool tricks. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and also post a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.